Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you another website uh, for getting free API keys and credits, and you can get up to $300 of free credits. Simply need to type this website FreeModel.dev. This website will come right directly. If you go to the website, it's a Chinese based website. You need to translate to English. So you will sign up and get $300 in free API credits, and you can get all the flagship AI models in it through a single API. It's an open AI compatible API, as you can see that. So you can directly sign up using your Google account. So this will just take 2 minutes to sign up. After you sign up, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So you can see that. And one restriction is there on inside this website. You do need to actually verify your phone number, and I think in the India option is not given right here. So plus 86, it's only for Chinese and Telegram, everything. And it's a pro account, as you can see right here. And you get limited time free trial credit, Claude code CLI only. You get $100. So you can basically say you get $100 of free credits. They mentioned 300, but they given us 100. If you do the phone verification as well, then you can get those additional $200 of credits. You go to the API key section. So right here, you click on create key, and this will come. Unfortunately, to prevent abuses, please verify your account. You can verify inside Telegram as well. So you can verify through Telegram as well. So you just give the name and create an API key, and this verification will come right here. And one other thing is that you can top up $10 before creating an API key. Either you can do the verification or you can top up $10 before creating an API key. This is actually the restriction. So once you do that, you actually get this. This is the endpoint base URL, and then the API key that you will create. So if you can do this through VPN, you have the option to create to the verification. If you do have the Chinese mobile number, you can do that. But apart from that, I personally use this, and I can do through my experience. I can tell you it's a very good website because it's a Chinese based website. You can even top up, simply provide the amount here, and then you can top up as well. So this is the current plan right here. As you can see that you can change this plan. So different plans are there. So first of all, you do need to verify the phone number. Then you top up at least $30 or to unlock VIP route. So you can see that. You can even invite friends and get $10 each as well. I've given the link in the description of the video. Definitely check this website out.